back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. My name is Miranda and we are back with another SHEIN haul. I spent about 5,000 rands on SHEIN, so I'm gonna go to the concierge to fetch my parcel, then we can begin with this haul. Diamonds on the chain, ain't fooling me. We was skipping school on the train. So I have two of these heavy bags, but we're gonna start with this one. So just like my previous video, we're gonna use this side to demonstrate how these items look on me. We're gonna start off with these beige stockings that I'm gonna be wearing in winter. They have this warm material inside. Next I have these heels. Love them. I got these in CN 40. So cute, so comfortable, and they have enough support so I can easily just walk in these freely without having to worry about falling. I also have these ones, my favorite. I love how short they are, so cute. And I love this crystal detail on the straps. Really stunning, also comfortable and easy to walk with. I also got it in a size CN40. The worst heels I ever bought are these ones. The support, number one, it is there, but I think the heel is not so stable. I can literally feel it just walking in these, that I can just fall at any minute. And also this part really hurts my toes. I don't like what happened here. It's too thick and it's too small. Next I have this shirt, very stunning. Love the detail, gives rich auntie vibes. It's so comfortable, so soft, and it is in a size medium, I think. Yeah, got this in size medium, and I could wear this as a cover up or just as a shirt with some jeans, probably to a girls outing or running my errands. Since it's cold, I also got this jacket. Yeah, you can see in the images how it looks. So it is really warm. This thing is warm, like I'm already sweating just wearing it, as you can see in the video. It is so cozy, so comfy. You can wear it with literally anything. Lingerie, winter outfits, summer outfits. You can start it off with any piece that you like. Now I have this two-piece skirt and a top. Really love them. So comfortable, so classic, so simple. Can also wear this when I'm running my errands. And I love the slit. Really obsessed with the slit. I can pair this with probably flat shoes or kitten heels. I don't know, it's basically, I'll just find out when I wear it. Now this two-piece is what I've been waiting for. It is so cute, so cozy, so comfy, and you can wear this winter, summer, literally all year. I mean, who cares? You can wear this to go get your nails done, your maintenance done, or your errands done. It looks good with absolutely anything. I can also wear it with an updo or bust down, doesn't matter. Looks good with all of those. Another one of my favorites is this dress, mini latex like dress. So cute, perfect for a night out, girls out, clubbing. Could wear it in any of those occasions with like a pair of heels. Could definitely go out with that red pair of heels as well that I said I don't like, but since I don't like it, I'm gonna have to find something to wear this with, you know. But it looks stunning, as you can see. Another clubbing outfit, this dress that has a bit of a lace on the side, as you can see in the images. I'm not wearing this anywhere else other than the nightclub, strip club, wherever I'll be going. This is my outfit for the night. Really cute, and this doesn't expose my girls. And I also got it an extra tape to just make sure they don't be moving around. You never know what's gonna happen when you're busy having the night of your life. Anything can go wrong. So I just got a tape for this dress specifically. This is like the longest I've ever took to record a YouTube video. I'm trying so hard to balance streaming and vlogging, so you know, give me a break, please. So I also got this acrylic gel for my toenails specifically, because I need to start doing my home maintenance. I can't keep going to a nail tech to get my nails done. So I got this along with some other products that I'm just not going to be showing on the video. The basics basically. I also have this tape for the girls. I'm gonna be using this to secure the girls, specifically for any outfits where I would like to hide my girls without actually putting on any bra, I'll be using this. I also got this set. It looks like an aloe dupe, but it doesn't have the print, the letter print on this area. It looks so cute. It's stretchy and it's super comfortable. Could wear this probably to do my errands and stuff like that. It's one of my favorite buys. And then we also have this dress that I really love so much. It's giving safari. Love the backless part of it with these strings which secure the front part of the dress. I think I'm also going to be wearing this with the tape because I have a feeling since I am gifted I will be struggling. This part of the dress is what's going to give me a challenge. Okay, then we have these shoes, slippers, and as you can see, I just couldn't wait to wear these. As you can see, they're already worn. So fluffy and they are so warm to walk around the house with. They're really perfect for that. Next package. First item that we got is this set. It's a winter set. It is also really warm, cute. As you can see, the top is more cropped with some wide leg pants. I also have this bodysuit that you just tie on the top, and it is backless. Really cute, perfect, would go well with some K-tree pants. And then I also have this dress, another clubbing outfit by the way, that also has a lace, almost see-through but not so bad because I mean it's for night clubbing. Who's gonna see? Even if they do, we don't care. It's none of your business. Mind yours and I shall mind mine. Love how stretchy it is. It's literally one size fits all. You can wear this even if you're big as hell. It's gonna fit you. But anyway, it is my favorite. Cannot wait to rock this with probably a red heel. Not that one definitely, but a red heel. And I also have another dress, maxi dress. This is perfect for errands. It is so cute, so warm as well, and comfortable. Literally my favorite. The worst item that I bought is this jumpsuit or romper. Let me call it a romper. It is too short, number one. Number two, what is this? Can you tell me? I have big girls, so how are my girls going to be secured in this? They're gonna be moving sideways. Even the tape that I bought has nothing on this. It's just not gonna work. I would return it, but I just like keeping my outfits in case I like them or in case I tailor them to something else. Then I also have this corset top. Very cute, stunning, also a night outfit. By the way, I ordered something that is gonna go well with this. I just placed an order probably like a few hours ago, but it was today. So whatever it is that I bought will really go perfectly with this top. I also have this pedal tennis set. Since I play a lot of pedal tennis on weekends, I just decided to get myself this set. Short, but I love the fact that it has these shorts underneath that I can wear with to pair along with this dress. I also have this bodysuit. It's in the color baby pink or dusty pink. Looks really cute. It's my favorite. I love it so much. I'm really trying to be quick right now. And I have these capri pants, but they're leather, faux leather. I love them so much. These are in size small. Really cute on me. They're so comfy and gorgeous. I have another dress, winter dress this time. Love the design of this dress. Like, it looks really cute. However, as you can see, I have big girls, so this is gonna give me a challenge because it doesn't really fit well. Gosh, this dress, it also looks cute. Not my favorite because it's short, however, I really like it. So we've got a whole lot of other products that I didn't record, such as like makeup equipment that I also bought. I'll just upload the screenshots on the screen and then you'll just see what other items I got. So far, all the items that I didn't show on the video are 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.